So this Supra just came back from a 600-mile road trip to Watkins Glen. It's pretty filthy, it's covered in bugs and brake dust, so we're going to be doing a maintenance wash essentially to get all the bugs and grime off of it. My name is Destin, and we are at Inspire Detailing. We're going to be detailing this A91 Supra, an exterior wash. So the car is coated in Armor Detail Supply's phobic coating. So for a ceramic coated car, you have to use a pH neutral soap. So we're going to be using Shampoo Plus from Armor Detail Supply. So the wash process on a ceramic coated car is to always do the wheels first, of course, because that's normally the dirtiest part of the vehicle. It's a wheel brush. These barrels on these wheels are really deep. It's a nice tool to have when you have deep dish barrels. For the wheels and tires, I'm going to use Armor's wheel cleaner. It has like an iron remover in it to lift all the brake dust off of it. One of the big reasons to get a ceramic coating for your car is it makes it a lot easier to clean because dirt doesn't just stick to it like it would if it wasn't coated. For example, this car always gets coated in bugs because it gets driven really hard. So a ceramic coating makes it easier for the bugs to come off. The wheels are also ceramic coated and the brake dust just comes right off. After we're done washing it and rinsing it off the last time, we will dry the car with a blower and then a microfiber drying towel, and then use Armor Detail's Amplify detailing spray. It's a CO2 detailer, so it just adds a layer of ceramic on top of the coating to keep it longer lasting.